You want to make money online by just watching videos, playing games and completing surveys very easy. You can earn hundreds of dollars in a day, so keep watch this video. Because in this video I will learn you how to make money online by just watching ads video, accepting offers and trials, completing surveys and playing games. This is very easy and available worldwide. You can join it from any country without investment. It will pay you your income in just 8 hours with proof. So let's go to the video. Before we start the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos because we teach you the best and easiest way to make money online. This is a website and its name is superpay.me. You can open this website on mobile phone, laptop and computer easily, and it's available worldwide. So when you open this website, this type of interface will be open. Make money online with the fastest paying survey site. You can cash out instantly from this website through PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and gift cards. You can withdraw minimum $1 from this website in just 8 hours. You can see the total withdrawal money from this website here. This is a real website that can pay you for your income easily through Amazon gift card, PayPal, Bitcoin, and more. Make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, gaming, video, and more. It have the fastest payment method to PayPal and other. It have more benefits like when you sign up for the first time you will be get paid for $1 free. This is 100% free and secure website. This website has paid about millions of dollars to their members. When you come down, you can see more information of this website right here. How do online survey sites work? Do online survey sites actually pay? How much I can earn? And more questions. Now let's go to the sign up process. Click on Join Today button here. Now you have to add your personal information here like your first name, then your last name, then your username, and then password. Then confirm password and then your email address, then confirm your email address. And then click on Next button. Now you have to add your address information. So add your address line 1, then line 2, then your city, then your zip code, and at last your country, and then click on Next button. The last step is payment information. So add your payment information of PayPal or Skrill or Bitcoin. As I have Bitcoin, so I'm adding my Bitcoin account here. Now draw a check to term and conditions. And then click on that I am not a robot. And then click on Submit button. Now you have to verify your account. So open your Gmail in computer or mobile phone and then click on the latest message from superpay.me. Now copy the verification code and paste it here. And then click on Confirm button. So your account will be completed successfully. So this is your dashboard. Now click on any survey. Then complete the survey and earn money here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.